This will save you so much time. Magic Studio is here and it's packed with AI features, but we're going to laser focus in on Magic Design and how it saves you time when creating amazing visual content with Canva. Hi, I'm Donna, Canva verified expert and Canva creator. I train non-designers and teams to create amazing visuals with Canva, and I design cool templates for Canva's library. Let's do this. Magic Studio is an entire suite of AI-powered features new to Canva. You can check them out at canva.com/magic. And Magic is designed to work with you as you design. I'm focusing in on 3 time-saving features in this video, but the best way for you to learn about Canva Magic is to open up your Canva account and explore them yourself. Today, we're talking all about Magic Design that lets you create images, videos, and presentations in seconds with a few prompts and some media. And stay tuned, because at the end of this video, I'll share a bonus Magic Studio feature that takes Magic Design to the next level and will save you even more time and have you looking like an editing genius. A quick note about Magic Design. Free users can try Magic Design up to 10 times per lifetime across images, videos, and presentations. So this really is a pro feature, as pro users can use Magic Design up to 100 times a day, which is more than enough across all 3 types of media. So if you have not yet discovered the many ways Canva Pro can fast track your design and productivity, then please take advantage of my 45-day free trial of Canva Pro. The link is on the screen and in the description. It's exclusive to me as a Canva verified expert, so you can try out Canva Pro and all these amazing AI features. All right, let's jump into the first of the 3 Magic Design features, Magic Design for Images. From the homepage, add your prompt. Let's go with solo travel tips. Canva generates a series of templates based on your description. And of course, you can also look below that and see related templates in the Canva library. So many choices. Narrow down the results by asking for a particular document type, and boom, Canva generates Instagram posts. Now, if you have media or product images like this one, upload it from your files and Canva will magically integrate the image into the results. As you can see, it pulls in the primary colors from the image. And then all you have to do is look through. I like lots of these, but I think the one that I like the most is this one with this cool UI mockup. So all I need to do is click on it and I can customize it. Canva has pulled in some cool elements and frames from the library to generate this new design. So all I need to do is edit the text and we're done. Or are we? Wait, there's more. Easily add your brand colors from any brand you have saved and your design is instantly on brand. This is huge. Pulling your brand assets into Magic Design is a pro feature. So Canva has a lot of these magic features as pro only. The brand kit is really one of the biggest reasons why you would want to use pro in Canva, and I'll share how this works a couple of times as we go through this demo for videos and presentations too. And if that didn't blow your mind, wait till you see Magic Design for video. Starting with a blank mobile document, I'm prompted in the side panel to use Magic Design to generate videos instantly. So I can choose that and add up to 10 image or video files, and I can also upload them from my device if I need to. And then I simply tell Canva what to create, and here's where the magic happens. A summer-inspired video about my perfect day out in Europe. Now, this just takes seconds. Magic Design creates a multi-scene video for me, even adding one of my logos, which it pulls in from the brand kit. I can change that up, but it's very cool. It's the start of a good video, and it's added in some cool line wipe transitions, even some copy in chronological order. I'm not sure if that's a breakfast drink or a cocktail, but it's a pretty good start. Let's play it and see. Now, Canva magically adds music with beat sync that matches the video scenes and transitions. I'm just not playing the music due to licensing today. My pro account gives me a single usage license, but I've had issues connecting my YouTube account today, so I can't share it directly. But I am a drummer and I can say that the music syncs up perfectly, or you can add your own music too. And then I can easily change the text or the position or the images. And overall, Canva has generated a really solid start to a great video. In this second example, I used a demo brand kit I have for a natural botanicals company, and I asked Magic Design to create a video promoting a new essential oils masterclass, and I think you can agree the results are a good start. Magic Design is new and the AI will learn, but it's worth noting that the copy here is pretty reasonable and a great place for me to start editing from. So I can come in here and edit and expand on it. I could add, say, a logo in here, change the text, but it gives me a base to start from. And I am a Canva creator, so I'm always going to say check out the templates in Canva, but this AI technology will learn and grow and pull in from those as well. So you will be using elements of designs that are in the Canva library as AI puts it all together for you. So I hope that you can agree that this is a great place to start saving time in Canva. Okay, you're going to love this one, Magic Design for presentations. Simply open a blank presentation document, then add your prompt to tell Canva what you want to create in as much detail as possible. In this case, tips for using essential oils in the home. Now, this part simply fries my brain, like seriously fries my brain. Canva generates a number of presentations ready for you to edit. Multi-pages, usually with photos, really cool fonts and headings, and copy based on Canva's AI writing and text generator. So all I have to do is click on a design and then open that up like a single page, or I can apply all 7 pages. So then I can go and check this out. As you can see, Magic Write, the text generator is doing its thing. The copy is really relevant and it's well written. The headings are cool. The font combinations are cool. There's really nice photo layout, simple minimalist color palette. I can go and check another one out if I want to try something else. I really like the frames in this one. Good for switching up photos, and the heading font is really, really pretty. So that's a really nice design, nice color palette. Again, the copy that's pulled in is very relevant and really nice copywriting. The third one here I can check out as well. So it's really a matter of finding a template and then working with it from there, changing it up. Now, I like this one, and I'm going to apply my color palette using the brand kit I have here. So if I click on that, I can choose to apply to all pages, so it goes through the entire document. I can even continue clicking on colors to try different color layouts, but I really like this one, and it's a great way to apply your brand. I can also then use my brand kit to add things like a logo or maybe some icons just to bring the presentation into my brand a little bit more. Maybe I don't want these shapes, but I like the fact that they are on the presentation, so I can easily switch same for same. So I can take an icon that's a similar size and add that to the presentation, and I might add that throughout the different slides, or where there's some space for me to just add a little bit of my branding touch to the different pages. So let's add the leaf in the corner here, and I might go through and do that for some or all of the presentation pages. Now, of course, I can change up my presentation by adding my brand fonts, just trying to match a heading font to a heading font and a copy font to a copy font. Or if I have photos in a presentation like this and I have approved brand photos, then maybe I can drag those in and switch it up as well. So there's many ways you can adapt this for your brand. But Magic Design for presentation is a great way to get started. Like I said, simply fries my brain. And I promised you a bonus. While I have chosen to focus in on a small feature set of Magic Studio in this video, I will share one of the features that does pair really well with Magic Design for presentations and saves you a huge amount of time. It's actually one of my favorite features in Magic Studio. Let's see it in action. I've set up one of the other presentations that Magic Design gave me and added some brand colors, and now I'm going to simply click Animate to use the new feature Magic Animate. This automatically adds whole page animations and transitions to my entire presentation, and I can go through and preview the different styles it suggests. I'm going to choose professional, and then all I have to do is preview or present it just to see how it looks. As you can see, it's quite impressive that Magic Animate does all of this in one click. Normally I would have to go through and do this slide by slide. I can go in and change up any slides I want to change change the type of animation, but again, it's a really good start and it adds another whole layer to presentations over and above Magic Design to help you add animations in a snap. I'm sure you agree this is another great time saver. Again, Canva has assigned a lot of the Magic Studio features as Pro only, and if you're not able to access them on your Canva account, now is a great time to grab my 45-day free trial of Canva Pro to play with all the Pro features in Magic Studio. Phew, that's a lot of magic, and we've only scratched the surface of what you can do with Magic Studio in Canva. But I'm sure you can agree that Magic Design for images, videos and presentations and a little Magic Animate will save you loads of time when working in Canva. Let me know in the comments what your favourite Magic Design feature is. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified about more Canva tips and tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Stay creative.